Okay, guys, just a few things to go over. I've been doing some grading and answering emails and just typing in the same thing over and over again, so I decided to make a video, and I'm going to send it out to all of you guys again. So hopefully you guys will watch it and pay attention to what's going on instead of just be the ones that are doing it right. Here will be what is due every week. It's on the main page. Do not go into this Nearpod. All your quizzes will be found here. All the assignments are under either modules or assignments. Either one is fine. Just go to there and you will find what you need for the week. Let's see. So we're going to talk about the Nearpods because I'm still having difficulties. I do want to say you must be in Google Chrome. I don't care what mod you're using, what you're using. If you're using an iPad, Google Chrome. If you're using your iPhone, if you're using your phone, Google Chrome. You can download Chrome and get in there. If you're using a computer, Google Chrome, just download it. And all these problems, most of these problems will go away. So we're going to go in. I'm going to go in through modules here. If I can click on it here. There we go. Oops. I clicked too many times. So here's where we go in to do our homework. Let's just go into one of them. If I go into the divide rational functions here, and I know for some of you guys like college prep math and secondary 2, it's this is not your class, but you find everything the same way. Okay. Read the assignment, read the list here. Right here. Oh, sure, I picked one. See, did I really pick one? I did. I picked one that doesn't have an assignment in it. That's really good, huh? So, in here, in this section, in this section right here, oh, it is right here, sorry. I can't see. Right in here, it tells you what your assignment is. I've kind of changed it a little bit, and I'm saying assignment, and I'm saying Delta Math and summary, but I'm trying to arrange it so you can actually see it. But it does say, if you read, that there is still a summary and there will be a Delta Math assignment. You guys need to make sure that you're reading that because some of you guys are missing the Delta Maths. So the main problem with this is still, I just want to say, is still the wrong button, sorry you guys, is still the Nearpods. So here we go. Here's my Nearpod. Your name will be already typed in. So I'm just going to type in something real fast. You type in your name. But if you're going in through Canvas, your name will already be there. Okay? And I go in. I don't have to type your joining session. You do your join session. However, whatever you have to type. Sorry, I'm in the teacher view, not the student view. So you'll have the front page there. You'll have a video, watch the video. It shows you how to do it. So if you're doing the Delta Math before doing the Nearpod, the lesson is in the Nearpod, and you need to do it the other way around. You need to do the Nearpod first. Take notes, which by the way are up. If you can print them off, you can print them off. I have them in here. You can print them, and then there's extra online help. And then after that, there's a question, or 2, or 3, or 4, I don't know. And you enter your question, you enter an answer, blah, 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 right? Whatever the answer happens to be, right? And then see down here, there's a button. And it says the word submit. And if you do not hit that button, your answer will not be submitted. Right? It just won't be. I will not get anything from you. You push submit. Submit. And it takes you to the next screen. Okay? And then you do it all over again. Yes? Okay? So then I do a video. I go to the next screen. Another question comes up. I type in my answer. And I push submit. Wait. I didn't answer the question. Do I want to submit it again, or do I want to answer it? So if I put submit and there's nothing in there, it's going to tell me. Okay? So type something in there, push submit. And then when you get done, you go through all the questions. Sorry, I'm going to go through it quick. There's a thank you at the end. Okay, done. So what's going to happen now, this is the problem. Then if you've done it in Google Chrome, I should get the report. The problem is this is what the report looks like. Just one moment, I'll be right. Let me go to the report. Hold on. The problem is this is what the report looks like. Okay? So right here, it says you did 0% of the work. And right here says you didn't answer, didn't answer, didn't answer, didn't answer, didn't answer, no answer, no answer, no answer. That means you didn't submit your answers. You didn't push submit. If it says no, you did not push submit, you might have typed in your answers, but you didn't push submit. And this is what I'm getting most of the time now. I'm not getting a blank screen as much. So, the blank screen means that you're not in Google Chrome. So blank screen means I'm getting none of this. It's just a blank piece of paper. So if I'm getting that, that means you're not in Google Chrome. Point blank period. Whether you're telling me you are or not, you're not. If I get a blank piece of paper, you're not in Google Chrome. If I'm getting a no, you're not pushing submit. You might be typing in the answers, but if you do not push submit, I'm getting nothing, which means you get a 0%. So I just want to say that instead of typing this in a bazillion times and taking a picture and sending it to you guys, this is what it looks like. So I just wanted to send that out to you guys. Hopefully you can get this figured out and we can get this taken care of. Thank you. If you have any questions, please send me a question and I will answer it for you. And we'll talk about it during the conference too, the video conference. Hopefully I'll see most of you guys on Wednesday. Bye guys.